So now we're going to turn the auto flush off. So to do that, give it some time. To do that, we're going to hold the flush button for 2 to 3 seconds. The light will blink, and you're going to press it 3 times to select the settings. You're going to press the off button, and then, so now the auto flush feature should be off. So right now, based on what we just did, the auto flush is off. We're going to test that to ensure that it is off. So as I mentioned, the lid has to be open for that to work, so we're going to open the lid. We're going to touch the sensor. We're going to hold it for a few seconds. So the toilet shouldn't flush because we turned the auto settings off. We're going to walk away. As you can see, it's not flushing because we turned the auto settings off. Now we're going to turn the auto settings back on by holding the flush button 2 to 3 seconds. And select the third option. We're going to go on and select the settings. So now the auto flush settings should be on. We're going to go test that. Give it a minute. No, we walk away. As you can see, the toilet is automatically flushing because the auto flush setting is back on. And that is how you turn on and off the auto flush settings on the Titan DT 300 from Ecoway.